Good afternoon, listeners. We are here to bring you the latest and hottest news in town. This is Queen Girls News. This portion is brought to you by KFC. So good together. Good afternoon, everyone. And now for our headlines. BPL House not priority. Common welcomes leadership, commissioners, and they are going after African ground. We will be back after for a few reminders.
Water, an essential element in our lives, giving us the greatest refreshment of all. What if there's only a drop left? Will we wait for that to happen? Conserve water.
A message from the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. And we are back. Time check. It's 3:34 in the afternoon. And here are the details for our headlines. BBL houses the priority. The approval of the Bangsamoro Basic Law, BBL will be the top priority of the House of Representatives. House leaders agreed to finish the deliberation of the BBL and probably approve it before Congress adjourns, signed by on June 11, led by Speaker Feliciano Del Monte Jr. Some House leaders led their counterparts in the Senate in a meeting yesterday in Marco Polo Hotel in Ortiga, where they discussed the priority agenda of the Congress. The senators and congressmen also discussed the progress of other pending legislative measures. In separate statements, Majority Floor Leader Tecatali Gonzales II and Ways and Means Chairman Representative Romero Pingo, who were both present during the meeting, said that the House leaders agreed to prioritize the passage of the BBL because of its importance to the peace process.
The Commission on Elections yesterday welcomed the appointment of Presidential Commission on the Good Government Chairman. Her address will be the new chief of the full body, Commonwealth spokesperson James Jimenez said that also welcomed the appointment of Rowena Buanga for mayor of Pasig City de los Occidental and Sheriff Abbott for both the common elections. Commonwealth welcomes the appointment of the new chairman and the two commissioners. They come at the most opportune time, considering the matters currently awaiting resolution. He told People's Journal. So these two is fourth Commonwealth Chairman Cisco Brillantes Jr. who retired that case, while Guazon and Abbas will fill out the vacancies left by retired road commissioners Lucento, Tagal, and Elias Bautista, who was also nominated as Supreme Court Chief Justice in 2012, will shepherd the full body towards the national policy. The government yesterday vowed to cut down on West African CPA, possibly behind the misfortune that befell Mary Jane and also the overseas Filipino worker or OFW who was convicted of drug trafficking and was freed on capital punishment that granted are repealed by the Indonesian government. Justice
Those are